Let me start by telling you a very useful tip to save time and avoid getting bored while watching this video. In the description of this video, you will find timestamp shortcuts. You may directly jump to the topic you like by clicking the blue time written in front of the topic name. HSK Level 1 test consists of two major parts. The first one is listening, the second one is reading. 20 marks and 15 minutes for the listening part, while 20 marks and 17 minutes for the reading part. You will get 3 additional minutes to fill up the answer sheet. Let me add here that filling the answer sheet of the HSK exam is also an important topic. I will soon upload a video in which you guys will learn how to fill up the answer sheet. Coming back to the topic, both of these parts are further divided into 4 sub-segments containing 5 questions each. These total 8 segments means 40 questions including watch and recognize, watch and choose correct option, true-false and multi-choice questions. Before moving to the first segment of the listening part, do subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get updates regarding upcoming useful content on this channel. So let's begin.
大家好，欢迎参加 HSK 1级考试。HSK 1级听力考试分4部分，共20题。请大家注意，听力考试现在开始。
Here we are at the listening part, the segment number 1. We have 5 questions in it. In this segment, you will listen to a statement and then observe the given picture. If you feel the corresponding picture is true as per the statement, then draw the tick mark sign. If you feel it's false, then draw the cross mark sign. See the example, please.
第1部分，一共5个题，每题听2次。例如，
很高兴，
很高兴，
看电影，
看电影。现在开始第1题。1.
4岁，
4岁，
The person in the picture is not 4 years of age, so the statement is wrong. That's why we need to put cross mark.
2.
写字，
写字，
写字 means writing Chinese characters, which is true as per the picture.
3.
很冷，
很冷，
The picture shows that the girl feeling very cold, so that's why the statement is correct.
4.
吃米饭，
吃米饭，
Mi fan means rice, but there are no rice in the picture, so the statement is wrong.
5.
没有钱，
没有钱，
没有钱 means no money, so as per picture it is true. Now we are in the second segment of the first part. In this segment, against each question has 3 pictures. Listen to the statement and draw the tick mark sign in front of the corresponding alphabet of the correct picture. See the example, please.
第2部分，一共5个题，每题听2次。例如，
这是我的书，
这是我的书。现在开始第6题。6.
谢谢你请我喝茶。
谢谢你请我喝茶。
As per listening, the correct picture is A.
7.
那是王小姐的狗。
那是王小姐的狗。
As per listening, the correct picture is A.
8.
她在学习开车。
她在学习开车。
As per the listening, the correct picture is B.
9.
这些东西都是你买的。
这些东西都是你买的。
As per listening, the correct picture is C.
10.
喂，我15分钟后回去。
喂，我15分钟后回去。
As per listening, the correct picture is C. Now we are in the third segment of the listening part. In this segment, you will see 6 pictures with corresponding alphabets from A to F. You will listen to a statement and then choose the corresponding alphabet of the correct picture. Write that alphabet against the question number.
第3部分，一共5个题，每题听2次。例如，
你好，
你好，很高兴认识你。
你好，
你好，很高兴认识你。
Out of above 6 pictures, in picture C, we find 2 persons greeting each other, which is true as per our statement. So in the box, we write C.
现在开始第11题。11.
你喜欢哪个电脑？
这些我都喜欢。
11.
你喜欢哪个电脑？
这些我都喜欢。
Picture F looks true as per the statement, so let's write F in the box.
12.
你那儿有多少个椅子
5个。
12.
你那儿有多少个椅子
5个。
Picture B looks true as per the statement, so let's write B.
13.
来，王医生，这块儿是你的。
好，谢谢。
13.
来，王医生，这块儿是你的。
好，谢谢。
Picture A looks true as per the statement, so let's write A in the box in front of the question number.
14.
你一个人去中国？
不，和我爸妈，我们3个人。
14.
你一个人去中国？
不，和我爸妈，我们3个人。
To me, picture D looks true as per the statement, so let's write D in the box in front of the question number.
15
在哪儿？
在上面，看见了吗
15
在哪儿？
在上面，看见了吗
Picture E looks true as per the statement, so let's write E in the box in front of the question number. Here we are at the fourth and the last segment of the listening part. In this segment, you will listen on dialogue and will find the correct answer from the given three options. See the example, please.
第4部分，一共5个题，每题听2次。例如，
下午我去商店，我想买一些水果。
他下午去哪里？
下午我去商店，我想买一些水果。
他下午去哪里？
As per the statement, Shang Tian is correct, so we draw our tick mark sign in front of A.
现在开始第16题。
Good. Now let's start question number 16.
16
明天是9月8号，星期二。
明天星期几？
明天是9月8号，星期二。
明天星期几？
I guess the right answer is option A.
17
儿子在看电视呢，我去叫他。
儿子在做什么？
儿子在看电视呢，我去叫他。
儿子在做什么？
Option C looks appropriate to me.
18
这是我朋友，他是小学老师。
谁是老师？
这是我朋友，他是小学老师。
谁是老师？
I think option B may suits here.
19
上午我不在家，你下午来好吗？
他什么时候在家？
上午我不在家，你下午来好吗？
他什么时候在家？
Option C looks appropriate to me.
20
这个杯子很漂亮，我喜欢。
那个杯子怎么样？
这个杯子很漂亮，我喜欢。
那个杯子怎么样？
I think option B may suits here.
听力考试现在结束。
Now we have reached to the second part, which is reading. The first segment is vocabulary. There are 5 questions in this segment. Each question has a picture, and in the next column, its Chinese translation is written. You have to mark true or false. See the example. Let's jump to question number 21. Okay, you can see a male, but the character is for the female, so it is wrong. See question number 22. You find a girl who is listening something and the character is think, that means listen, so it is correct. Question 23. I see picture of shoes but the word is 衣服, that is for cloth. So that means it is wrong. Let's see question number 24. You can see two persons are saying bye-bye, but in front of them written 对不起, which is for sorry. So it is wrong. Question 25. A person is sitting on a chair and the word is 坐, that means sit. So it is correct. So draw the tick mark sign. This is segment number 2 of the reading part. There are 5 questions in it. In this segment, you have to read the statement given in the question and have to choose the alphabet of the correct corresponding picture. Let's see question number 26. It says 你今天做什么菜? That means today you are making what food? And in above 6 pictures, I think the picture B shows that someone is cooking something. So what I will do is, I will write character B in the box in front of question number 26. So now check question number 27. It says 对不起, 我想去睡觉了. That means someone is about to sleep. And I think out of 6 pictures, the picture D shows a young lady who wants to sleep. So the correct option should be D. Question 28. 你能看见我吗? That means someone is asking to his mother that can you see me? And in above 6 pictures, I find picture A is true as per the statement. Let's see question number 29. It says 现在是13点17分. That means someone is telling time. And I think picture F, someone is looking towards his watch. The best option is option F. Question 30. It says 不客气, 你好点了吗? That means someone is asking to other, is he good now? Picture C shows that someone is giving flowers, and it appears that maybe she is asking about her health. So this option looks fine to me. This is segment number 3 of the reading part. It contains 5 questions. This segment is cross-match question-answer section. Let's go to question number 31. The statement is 你爱吃什么水果? That means what fruit you like to eat. And the available options are 坐出租车. No, this is not true. 下雨了. That means raining, it's also not true. 桌子下面, that is also not true. 没有, also not true. 苹果, okay, that's fine. 你爱吃什么水果? What fruit you like to eat? 苹果, that means apple. So I will choose option E and write E in the box in front of the question 31. Question number 32. It says 你们怎么去医院? That means, how will you go to the hospital? And the available options are option A, 坐出租车. That means to take a taxi. I think this option suits the statement, so I will write A. Question number 33. It says 北京今天天气怎么样? That means, what about the weather of Beijing? We see our available options. First available option, we already have used that, so we can't use it again. So the second option is 下雨了. That means it's raining. So I think this option suits the statement, so I will write B. Question number 34. It says 小猫在哪儿? That means where is the small cat? The available options are 桌子下面. 桌子下面, that means under the table. So this option is true to the statement. So I write C. So last question of this segment. Question 35, it says 他女儿工作吗? That means, does his daughter do a job? And out of two available options, best option looks 没有, that means don't have, that means don't do. This is segment number 4 of the reading part. In this segment, you have to fill the sentence by choosing the correct missing word from the given list. For example, 你叫什么 and the empty place, and the available option D is appropriate. That means the sentence would be 你叫什么名字. So we will do like this. See question number 36. Statement is 他今天怎么高兴? And we have to put one word inside. So 没关系 don't suit here. So do 说 and 在. The best appropriate word is 不. 他今天怎么不高兴? That means today why he is not happy. So we will write down E in the empty space. Question 37. It says 妈妈我去了再见. Mama means mother. 我去 I go. 再见 means bye bye. And the available options are 没关系, that means it doesn't matter. 说 that means speak. 在 means in, on, at. And 学校 that means school. So the best option is school. Select F. Question 38. 我这里住了8年了. 我 means me. 这里 means here. 住了 means lived. 8年了 means 8 years. That means the sentence says I lived here for 8 years. So we have to choose the right option. 没关系 don't suit here. 说 is also not appropriate, but 在 looks fine to use here. Question 39 is a dialogue between a female and a male. Female says, 这家饭店人太多了. That means in this restaurant there are so many people. And what does the male say? He says, 我们去前面那家，那人少. And male says that we go to some other place where people are less. So we need some connecting word, and we have available option. The first option is 没关系. Okay, that's fine. 没关系 looks good here. So we write A. So finally we are at the last question of our test, and it is also a dialogue between a male and a female, and we have only one option left, which is 说. So we directly put inside 李先生会说汉语吗? That means can Mr. Li speak Chinese? And female says 会一点儿. That means a little bit. So this is all from this test. I hope my efforts would be helpful for all of my viewers, subscribers, and the Chinese language students who want to attempt HSK exams. Your valued feedback and suggestions are always welcome. Thanks for watching. See you again on Learn Chinese with Abdul.